Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to do your serpentine belt. This is an emergency job on my ML350. Serpentine belt is shredded almost, and it's due to a faulty pulley carrier, one of those that just spins on the back side of the belt. I'm going to have to change that out too, but I'm kind of stranded now. I need that part. Don't have that part, have the belt. So I'm going to show you how to change out your belt. Future video I'll show you how to change out that pulley as well. So let's get to it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Help me grow the channel by subscribing today. Thanks.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so in replacing your serpentine belt, first thing you do is open your hood, take this cover off. So I like to visually take a look at the serpentine belt, see what it goes around. Goes around the alternator, main crank, air conditioning, and all that good stuff, power steering. So going down into the engine. These are all the components that it goes around. And this belt is pretty frayed, about to pop. But I want to draw your attention to this tensioner pulley right here.
17mm socket.
And this socket, you put a socket wrench on there and turn it, and that will relieve the pressure of the serpentine belt for when you're putting on the new one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to zoom in here. So ladies and gentlemen, right here, hard to see, but I've shown you earlier in the video that there's a little socket right there, but you're going to put that on here. Releases the tension on everything. And that's usually not to take off the old belt. You can cut the old belt. That's mainly to put on the new belt. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this belt. Here it is. This seems alright. Just the plastic one. Alternator. That looks good. The AC one down below. That's just like lint. So this is why that belt got shredded.
I'm gonna refer to the drawing under my diagram.
Got that. Put this around the alternator belt. Then you're gonna bring this up between and all the way up. Up into the problematic pulley. Like that. Then we're gonna moving right along. This top belt goes around that far pulley right there. This one. So it goes all the way around it. Then this pulley goes around this one like that. Now the only thing left to do is put this one around that main pulley right there.
Depress the tensioner pulley and slip the belt right over it.
Make sure all the pulleys have the belts fully seated, nothing hanging off the edges. And that's how you change your serpentine belt. Simple, easy, super easy. One of the easiest things you can do. To recap, we're going to target this pulley tensioner right there. Put a socket on that, just like this. Put your socket on it, and then when you turn it, it releases tension. You open that up, it's spring loaded, and then you can put your belt on. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.